If you're into Korean skincare, these two are non-negotiables in my routine. 내추의 한국 skincare 불러도 돼요. First up, Niacinamide. I use one from Tiam brand. This is the real MVP for brightening dull skin and tightening up those pores. Plus, it calms redness and balances oil in the face of skin. I use it daily and my skin has never been happier. Next up, Snail Mucin. Yes, snail slime, but hear me out. This stuff is like a hydration bomb. It helps repair your skin barrier, fade acne scars, and gives that juicy glass skin glow. Trust me, your skin will drink it up. It will literally drink it up. Just look at that glow. Niacinamide plus Snail Mucin equals my glow up combo. Korean skincare never misses. Have you tried this, or do you have a holy grail I should know about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.